Dear friends, we got a nice topic like is India getting westernized? But I believe like we cannot answer something like is it getting westernized or not. Yeah, in some respect we are progressing in the same way as they are, but in some respect we are still with our root. Like if we start looking, so from the 1991 we start globalization and liberalization, definitely impacts are on our economy, our industries everywhere. Till yesterday, before 1990, we felt like in information technology and this space agency did everything up to the Western countries, US, Russia, and all. Now everywhere we are moving very fast, and even sometimes we have surmounted them. But if we come to our roots, our ethics, our culture, which are our strength, still we have. We still believe in our strength. Farming, with which we started in 1960s, is still our strength. We are the second largest producer of wheat and third largest producer of rice. So these are the things which we are maintaining. But as Indian culture says, of all the things which are good in others, like from Muslims, from Christians, we opted everything. In the same way, something is very good in Western culture, we are opting it. So this is something we can say, yeah, some respect we are going ahead.
Yes, mainly if we talk about commercial capital like Mumbai, it has got westernized to a large extent. If we look at the shopping malls that have come up, they are of the type of the Western culture. Then the teaching style, the ring ceremony that we have nowadays, these things are of Western style.
I think we
But
should
if
first
we go-
discuss what is westernization and then we should go about is India getting westernized. When we talk about westernization, it can be in terms of lifestyle, it can be food, clothing, industrialization, as my friend has said. So, in case of food, clothing, and industrialization, in all these stuff, India has got westernized to a great extent. And as Vaibhav has said, these things, like he is telling about Mumbai, but when we are talking
Yes,
about
we'll
India
talk
getting
about some of the other
westernized,
things as well.
so we'll have to go on a more broader aspect of it, right? So, in case of food, I guess fast food is now the food for the youngsters. Clothing, definitely in case of girls who used to be wearing just salwar kameez or saris, maybe say 8 to 10 years back, are today wearing jeans or skirts. So this trend has shifted from the eastern what India had to the western what US or Americans, these people are having right now.
Actually, my dear friend, I would like to contribute one thing in Vaibhav's talk, what he was saying. Yeah, certainly. But still there is something like, as you are saying, we are going ahead in some food and all. Certainly we are going up to an extent and we are following the Western culture. As cities like Mumbai, Delhi, those are the metro cosmopolitan cities. Yeah, we can see the westernization impact a lot. But when we go to the real India, which is the villages, still we are falling back because there is the still population is the same. Still the basic problem like literacy and all we are facing. So westernization cannot be in one day cannot be impacted the whole India. India is becoming like a country of islands. We have few islands are very much developed, and the states like Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, and Uttar Pradesh, they are still suffering from the same basic problems. There definitely there we are suffering. So the India is getting westernized up to a level in a particular city. That westernization is not impacting the whole India, even if it's positive or negative.
Yeah, even I agree with you that India is not completely getting westernized. There are certain metro cities in which the impact is more, but there are many rural areas where impact of westernization is not that much. And even in the metro cities, by adapting the westernized culture, we have cultivated in ourselves that there have been various misuses, means bad things also which have come from the Western culture, and the industry has grown, industrialization has grown, various Western equipments have been adapted in India. So it's good to move ahead, but at the same time we should keep intact our heritage and culture. That's what
I think I need to differ from everyone's perspective in this thing. Like, what is westernization? When you define it, like with the advent of globalization, what happens is that East is giving something to the West, and also West is giving something to the East. So it's not just India is imbibing some of the spirits from the West, also some of the Indian spirits are embedded throughout the West. So what happens, and about your point, Ashutosh, I think, okay, India can be seen as the conglomerate of some of the metro cities where westernization has taken place. But if you mean westernization by improvement in lifestyle, I think to some extent, very small extent, the villages have had its impact too. There were some villages which didn't have electricity, and now they are getting one by one. Maybe the rate is very slow, but still it is. Now in the cities, what we see is that previously in our Indian culture, in the Asian culture, what we used to had homemade sweeteries made by my grandmother or other things. Now we prefer the McDonald's burger. Then the local tea shop, when we friends, suppose like we are sitting down, some decades back, the previous generation used to sit as in local tea shops, but now there is CCDs and baristas. So in this case, you can say it's westernization. But the thing is that if I think the impact what has come is globalization.
Actually, what you and my friend is telling is more of modernization of India rather than westernization of India. It is more of development of India. So that's what I said, that first when we define a term westernization, that time we come to know that it's not only modernization, but it's change in the lifestyle of a person in a broader sense. So as you are telling that the westernization is not much in the rural areas, but today when you go to the rural areas, the women who like say Maharashtra, if you take as an example, the women used to wear that Nauvari saris and all, but today they are wearing salwar kameez and they are roaming around. So this is a change in the trend which can reflect that westernization has taken place, though in the rural areas it is taking place at a slower pace, as he said. So definitely there is a change, and the number of people who are there in rural areas are definitely shifting from rural to the urban areas, just because they are much attracted to the westernization. And when you see the malls, like there used to be small shops earlier, a small shop, kirana shop, or you can say grocery shop. These used to be more prominent in cities, urban areas, big urban areas like Mumbai, Delhi, metropolitans also you can say. So, but as you can say, see in the last 7 to 10 years, malls have started coming up, and people going there, the number of people going there has also improved. The ratio has gone up like anything because of westernization and modernization.
Exactly, agreed, buddy. Whatever you are saying is going right. Certainly, I believe like after our discussion, we can come to a point like westernization is impacting India. In the metros, it is at the upper extent. In rural areas, it is going to the lower extent. But our lifestyle, our daily lifestyle, and everything is getting affected by it. Most of the points it is going positive. At some point, definitely some negative things are coming to our culture, which we need to control. But our roots are still with us. That's why we are able to grow in the same way. That is what I feel.
One can see the teaching style as well. You know, in most places it has been like the foreign style that has come up nowadays. So in that way we are getting westernized.
Even foreign education, as he said, is adding to the westernization, but westernization in general is more a part of the urban area, whereas at a slower rate it's also coming up in the rural areas, and modernization is also affecting India at the same rate as westernization.
Actually, to conclude it, I think what our topic was that India was getting westernized or not. So we concluded that whether due to globalization, actually I think we have termed westernization as modernization or like that. So it's not if in terms of modernization, also some the Eastern rituals which like prana, the concept of prana, which used to be in India long ago, is now prevalent all over India and all over the world also. So it's like we are getting modernized, we have to be globalized. So it's not India is getting westernized or easternized.
To me, I can conclude from this GD that India is getting westernized, but the impact of westernization is mainly basically on the rural, no, not on the rural areas, but on the urban areas only. So we can't say that India is westernizing, because it's not